We've just acquired this lovely price range Range Rover Evoque. It's a 2.2 diesel. It's in lovely condition, as you can see. Nice metallic blue, twin exhausts, side skirts. Lovely price range vehicle. Electric tailgate. Boot area is in lovely condition. Lovely leather seats. Electric memory seats as well. We've got satellite navigation. Some 114 miles. Just start it up. Got heated, 3-stage heated seats. Satellite navigation. Different driving styles, how you want to drive it. Cruise control. Even got a heated steering wheel. DJH, got full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you, bye.